Dear students, in this video, I will tell you how you can block and unblock any account on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, like the video. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon given alongside. In the first step, you have to open your Chrome browser. In the second step, go to the website instagram.com. Search for the friend's ID you want to block. Here, click on the three dots, and then click on Block. Click on Block again. A pop-up will appear. Dismiss it, and the account will be blocked. Now, to unblock, simply click on the Unblock button and unblock it. In today's video, we learned how to block and unblock an account. If you found this video informative, like video, you not on channel and sweat a channel and press the bell icon given alongside and share this video with others.